Hello there, my name is Alexandra with the Bucket List Mermaid, and today we are going to be opening something very fun and very exciting, and that is a brand new tail. I know that my current snowy environment is not usual for a mermaid. However, I am not a usual mermaid, so we are going to be opening this Finfolk / Merbella tail. It is the Mirage tail, and we are going to be opening it in the snow. Let's do it. Because opening it in a beach would be boring, which is ironic because I'm gonna be on a beach in a week with this tail. Stay tuned. Deep is this snow? Woo! Oh my God. Woo! So I had to get this tail because it was the colors of the Bucket List Mermaid. It's that teal and that orange and that yellow. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you can go to thebucketlistmermaid.com and you can see how perfect this tail is for me right now. It's so deep. Wow. Okay. So this is happening. Again, this is the Mirage, and it is from Finfolk and Merbella. I have never gotten a Merbella tail before, so this is my very first one, and I'm so excited. It took so long to get here. As we have established before, I am a very, very impatient mermaid, and this company tests me. It tests my will as a mermaid. I don't know how I'm gonna get out of here. Okay, the reveal. Very nice. Ooh, they have the Merbella wrapping on this one. Never seen that before. This was not the best way to do this. So we've got, this is how you take care of it, how you put it on. Very nice to know. Okay, here we go. The first reveal of this tail. It's a little frozen. I'm a frozen mermaid. Oh my gosh! Ah! It kind of looks like a crab right now. I just need to let the fluke do its thing. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh. Okay, so all the tails that I have gotten so far, they do look like this. Do not worry. After a while, they do stretch out to their normal fluke shape. Just look at how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna let this girl air out for a bit, but just look at how stunning these markings are. And now I'm going to take my new tail. And I'm actually gonna go to a place where you would see mermaids. I'm gonna go on a cruise! So without further ado, let's pack up all the stuff, because I'm the Bucket List Mermaid and I travel around with my tails, and I'm going to take this to the Caribbean. Caribbean? How do you say it? Let's go warm our fins up! I'm going to go try this tail out. It is popping here, and I'm so happy. She is ready for some action. I just had the most humbling mermaid experience of my life. I got absolutely pummeled, and I'm getting sunburned, but no surprise there. As you know, I just did a little mermaid photo shoot here, and I got tossed around by some waves, let me tell you. So we're gonna hope that these mermaid photos are worth it. you guys so much for watching me open the Mirage by Finfolk and Merbella. I really hope that you enjoyed this unboxing, and go out there, keep exploring, and keep adventuring, mermaid style. If you are wondering, I did get a ton of looks. The looks were there. as I was getting thrown around and pummeled by these waves. They were there. I'm aware.